I was never afraid of work. I always liked hard work, but people to see them that they were working in the club. Corn is the oldest club in Monaghan and the smallest club. It's 140 years old, and the Corn is a cross-border club. Part of our club is in County Fermanagh. There's 10 townlands in Northern Ireland. There was a few clubs went to Newtown Butler that stole them on us. I started at the age of 14. I went on then to play football, and I won the under-16 championship. It was played with Castleblaney. We were the underdogs and come out top. Well, I'm coming 88. I have been doing it 66 years and 2 years as assistant secretary. So I'm still at it. Oh, as a member, I started to help with when I started treasurer, and my father was treasurer before me, so I followed his footsteps.
Do you remember I had to milk the cows to let you go?
Get me away to the match in time. The family was always involved in the GAA and helped out. Now, Patricia always helped me out doing accounts up. I'm not into that modern stuff now, on computers and all. It's all new ways of doing it now. And she was a great help to me, still is. We raised funds then for the club then with Father Pat McCabe. He was involved in a lot of it in getting the pitch on for us here. He done a lot for the club here. We got the pitch then cleared and levelled. I helped to gather all the stones and I brought up my own tractor. And it's great to see the club and the whole facilities that were built up, club rooms and everything. 2002, the field was opened.
And this is in Stirling?
I was always trying to save money. Another time we went to play a match, away match, and when we landed at the field, with only 13 players, I was asked to stand on to save money because we would have been fined if we hadn't had the full 15. So I must have been well in my 50s, between 50 and 60 when I played. And they told me I scored a point that day. I don't know whether it was true or not, but great. Great to be still involved in it yet. I am still hoping I'll survive another while.
Sha Porter, Gradam Uladh, the Comhghairdeas, Brian McCabe.